Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to analyze any problem in just 5 simple steps. These steps will help you tackle issues in both your daily life and professional career. Let's dive in. Step 1 is breaking down the problem into smaller, more manageable parts. Think of it like breaking a big puzzle into smaller pieces. Imagine you're facing an issue with low productivity at work. Break it down into components like employee motivation, task complexity, tools and resources, and management practices. This helps you understand each part of the problem more clearly. Step 2 is classifying and categorizing. Group similar elements to simplify the complexity. For our productivity issue, group the components into categories like employee factors, task factors, and management factors. This makes it easier to see relationships and identify key areas to focus on. Step 3 is comparing similarities and differences. Look at how different elements compare to find commonalities and distinctions. Compare the reasons for low productivity across different teams. Maybe some teams have similar issues with motivation, while others struggle with inadequate tools. This helps highlight unique features and overlapping areas. Step 4 is identifying patterns and trends. Look for recurring themes within the data. You might notice a trend that low productivity is higher during certain times of the month or in specific departments. Recognizing these patterns can provide valuable insights into the underlying causes. Step 5 is evaluating causes and effects. Analyze what causes the problem and what effects result from it. For our productivity issue, you might find that inadequate tools cause delays, which in turn reduce overall productivity. Understanding these relationships helps you develop effective solutions. Here's a practical tip. Use visualization tools like flowcharts and mind maps at each step. They help you see the relationships and insights more clearly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on effective problem solving. See you next time.